call here from EMD Automotive. I just finished, I just came back from a drive from Kurnell. It's a place in New South Wales, Australia, next to the water. So I just took it for a drive, came back, the fan came on for the front. That means the thermal switch is working. The oil pressure is on nearly 2, which is perfect. Temperature is not overheating. Car's good, car's running fine. Kick down is good. All that stuff adjusted. Yeah, very happy with the car. So yeah, probably tomorrow I'm gonna wash it, and then Monday double check everything. Go for another. I think I've got maybe Monday or maybe tomorrow I'll take the car for a long drive on the M5. Once everything is good, so I can actually double check it. Then I'll take it on the M5 for the actual long road test to make sure everything's fine before we give it back to the customer. Alright, thanks for watching and please subscribe.